how to make a phone call on your Samsung Galaxy S8. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can make a phone call on a Samsung Galaxy S8. Now first, you're going to need to have a SIM card on your phone. Once the SIM card is installed and activated, you can go ahead and start to make the phone call. Now at the home screen here, you can always tap at the bottom, the home key, to go back to the home screen. And you can see there is a phone app. So tap on that phone app. And in the phone app, when you tap on it, you may see a contact list or the recent call list. So you can also tap on this icon here. It's the green round icon. This will bring up the keypad, and on the keypad you can dial the phone number and you can start to make the call. So in here, so if you tap on there, you can start to dial in the number. So in here, and then start type in the number or key in the number, and then from there you can start to dial the number by tapping on the call key. Also, there is a suggestions of phone numbers at the top here that you can choose. So it shows all the contact that has that phone number. You can choose that as well. So that's just another way that you can quickly make a call. So I'm just gonna go back here. So you can even copy and paste. If you've got a phone number from a web page, you can tap and hold, and then you can even paste the phone number into here as well. Now another way to make a phone call is to make a call from a recent contact. So if someone just recently called you, you can tap on recent and then tap on that person and then tap on call, and this will allow you to make the call straight away. So you can also respond to a call or reply to a call by looking at a text message. So here, if you go on here and look at the text message, and then you can tap on that text message, and then at the top here you can also make the call. So doing it that way will also allow you to make the call. So you can either make a call from the phone logs or the recent log. You can also choose contacts in the contacts tab and go down the list, and you can choose who you want to call. So just go back here in contacts. You can go down the list and then tap on the contact that you want to call, and then from here, because I have multiple phone numbers in this particular contact, so tap on the call icon, and this will allow you to make the call as well. So there are just different ways for you to make the call. I guess Samsung make it as easy as possible, so they're giving you all these different options that you can make a call. For example, you can make a call directly from a text message. You can make a call directly from the contacts list, from the recent log. So this log here basically shows you all the calls, the incoming call and outgoing calls that you have made recently, and you can just tap on that shortcut and then start to make the call or send a text message using that shortcut. Now another way you can make a call is through a website. Sometimes they display a phone number, and you can tap on that phone number to make the call. Also, I have created a shortcut here. So basically this shortcut allow me to directly call that contact by tapping on the home screen. So I just tap on it, and that will immediately place me into a call, and that's it. So those are all the different ways that you can make a call. I'm sure maybe there are some more ways that you can make a call, but those are the easiest. So just start the phone app using shortcuts, or you can respond to a text message to make a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.